Welcome back to Life Hacks. Today we're going to show you 9 genius hacks that will change your life forever. These are so good, so simple, and definitely worth saving this video for later. So let's get started. Have you ever come across a situation where you needed to move a heavy object, but couldn't find anything heavy enough to use as a doorstop? No more worries, this one's for you. Next time you need to hold open a heavy door, simply take your backpack and place it against the door. The weight of your books and other belongings will keep the door open, allowing you to pass through easily. And when you're done, just pick it up and go on your merry way. It's that simple. We all know how frustrating it can be when we want to enjoy some fresh fruit, but we do and have the right tools to cut it properly. But fear not, we have a simple solution for you. The next time you want to cut an apple or any other fruit with a smooth surface, just stick it to a cutting board with a few toothpicks. This will keep the fruit in place while you slice it up, making it much easier to cut evenly. It's like magic. And the best part is, you don't even need a knife. All you need is a clean surface to place your toothpick slices on, and voila, you've got yourself a delicious snack. Just be sure to remove the toothpicks before you dig in. You don't want to bite down on one of those. Let's say you in the middle of an important task, and suddenly you notice that your glue stick has run out of glue. Don't worry, because we have a quick fix for that. All you need is a few drops of water to revive that glue stick and get it working again. Simply pour a few drops of water into the empty glue stick bottle and shake it up. The water will help to thin out the remaining glue and make it flow more easily. And just like that, your glue stick is back in business. It's that simple. Now you and have to waste time and money on a new glue stick just because you ran out of glue. It's tired of struggling to open stubborn lids. We all know the struggle of trying to open a jar or can when the lid is stuck. But there's a simple trick that can save you from this annoying situation. Next time you find yourself in this pickle, grab a rubber band and wrap it around the lid. The rubber band will provide extra grip, making it much easier to open the lid. It's like magic. This hack works on all kinds of jars and cans, making your life so much easier. Give it a try and say goodbye to struggling with stubborn lids forever. Let us say you're rebaking a cake, and the recipe calls for a specific type of oil that you do and have on hand. Don't panic. We've got you covered with a simple substitution. If you don't have vegetable oil, you can easily replace it with another type of oil, such as olive oil or canola oil. In most cases, these oils can be used interchangeably without altering the final result. However, if your dish calls for a significant amount of oil, it's best to stick to the original recipe to ensure the best possible outcome. So don't let the lack of one ingredient ruin your culinary masterpiece. Get creative with your substitutions and enjoy the delicious results. Got a pile of dishes and don't feel like doing them? We understand the struggle. Here's a clever trick to get them done faster and more efficiently. Instead of washing each dish individually, fill your sink with water and put all the dishes in at once. Let them soak for a few minutes to loosen any stuck-on food particles. Then use a sponge to scrub them all together. This method will save you time and energy, making dishwashing a breeze. Plus, your dishes will be sparkling clean. Give it a try and say goodbye to dreading the dishes. Looking for a quick and easy way to defrost your frozen meat? Look no further. A microwave is your secret weapon. Simply place the frozen meat in a microwave-safe container and cover it with a paper towel. Microwave it for 1 to 2 minutes, depending on the thickness of the meat. And voila, your meat is ready to use. It's that easy. Not only will this method save you time, but it will also prevent your meat from drying out. Say goodbye to waiting hours for your meat to defrost. The microwave is here to save the day. Here's a great trick for anyone who wants to keep their cosmetics looking fresh and new. Have you ever struggled with a dried-up mascara tube or a crusty eyeliner pencil? Don't worry, we have the perfect solution for you. Just add a few drops of clean water to the end of the tube and gently twist it to distribute the water evenly. The same goes for your eyeliner pencils. By adding a few drops of water and twisting it, you'll be able to revive your cosmetics and make them last longer. So don't throw away those old makeup products just yet. Try this trick and see how it works wonders on your cosmetics. Need to measure a liquid but don't have a measuring cup handy? No problem. We have a simple trick for you. Any glass or jar with straight sides can be used as a measuring cup. Just pour the liquid into the container and look for the measurement line that aligns with the liquid level. It's that easy. So, don't stress over not having the right equipment. This trick up your sleeve, you'll be able to measure liquids like a pro. Stuck in the middle of a DIY project and realized you don't have a Phillips head screwdriver? Don't worry, we've got you covered with a simple hack. Grab a rubber band and wrap it around the end of your regular screwdriver. Voila! You've got yourself a makeshift Phillips head screwdriver. But that's not all. This hack has another trick up its sleeve. If you're missing a flathead screwdriver, simply flip the rubber band over and you'll have a makeshift flathead screwdriver. It's that simple. So don't let a missing screwdriver ruin your next DIY project. With this trick, you'll always be prepared for any situation. These hacks are so easy and useful that you'll wonder how you managed without them. From reviving old cosmetics to using a rubber band as a screwdriver, these tricks will make your life so much easier. So don't forget to follow us for more amazing hacks. And remember, sometimes all it takes is a little creativity to make life easier and more enjoyable. Till next time, happy hacking. Welcome back to Life Hacks, where we share all the best tips and tricks to make your life easier and more fun. Today we have a ton of amazing videos that are going to seriously blow your mind, so let's get started. Do you struggle with organizing your closet? Do your clothes always end up crumpled and messy? Well, say goodbye to those days, because today we are going to show you a folding trick that will change your life. Get ready to be amazed as you watch these simple, yet incredibly effective methods that will make your closet look like $1,000,000. And the best part? They only take a few seconds. Yes, you heard that right. Just a few seconds. So what are you waiting for? Stay tuned, and don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and family. Let us dive into the world of effortless organization and see how you can achieve that dream closet you've always wanted. You won't believe how easy it is. Are you tired of spending precious time every morning trying to find an outfit only to be defeated by a messy closet? Say goodbye to those frustrating mornings because we have a game-changing solution for you. Get ready to unlock the secrets of a perfectly organized closet that will make getting dressed a breeze. Our first hack will help you organize your closet effortlessly. No more struggling to find the right shirt or pair of pants. In just a few seconds, you'll have a neatly folded t-shirt that fits perfectly in your drawer or on your shelf. This simple trick is so effective that you'll wonder how you managed without it. First, lay your t-shirt flat on a surface like your bed or a table. Next, pinch one hand on one side of the shirt at the point where the shoulder seam meets the neck. Now, pinch your other hand about halfway down the shirt on the same side. Make sure to use a firm but gentle grip on both points. Now, here comes the magic. Cross your hands over so that the right hand goes behind the left hand and the left hand goes behind the right hand. Hold on to both sides of the shirt firmly. Now flip the shirt over in one swift motion. As you do this, you'll notice that the 2 points you had pinched together will form a triangle shape. Keep hold of the shirt at the top and bottom corners. Next, fold the left side of the shirt over to meet the right side. The beautiful thing about this method is that the shirt will fold almost by itself due to the initial pinching technique. It's like the shirt knows how to fold itself. Now here's the final step. While still holding the top and bottom corners, unfold the shirt slightly to reveal the perfectly folded shirt underneath. Release your grip and admire the end result. There you have it, a perfectly folded shirt ready to be stored away in your closet. This method not only saves you time, but also helps you maintain a neat and tidy closet. The best part? It works on all types of shirts, from thin dress shirts to thick sweaters. Give it a try and transform your morning routine forever. Say goodbye to wardrobe malfunctions and hello to stress-free mornings with our time-saving t-shirt folding hack. It's so quick and easy that you'll wonder why you didn't discover it sooner. Spend less time battling your closet and more time doing the things you love. But wait, there's more. This folding technique is also perfect for those who prefer to hang their shirts. Simply follow the same steps and voila, you have a perfectly folded shirt ready to be hung on your wardrobe. No more wrinkled or crumpled shirts. If you're a true organization enthusiast, we've got even more incredible hacks up our sleeves. From decluttering your wardrobe to creating the ultimate shoe storage system, we've got you covered. Don't miss out on these amazing tips that will transform your entire closet. Keep watching. Our next hack will help you create a custom closet organizer that fits your space perfectly. No more wasted space or struggling to find the right size organizer. In just a few seconds, you'll have a customized closet that maximizes every inch of your available space. Start by measuring the width and depth of your closet. Then decide what type of organizer you want, such as shelves, drawers, or hanging rods. Draw a diagram of your closet including the measurements of the walls and the doors. Mark the areas where you plan to place the organizer. Use a measuring tape to measure the width and depth of the space where you plan to install the organizer. Cut the organizer to the desired length, making sure it fits snugly in the space. Install the organizer according to the manufacturer's instructions. Add any additional features such as shelves, drawers, or hooks. Use a screwdriver and drill to secure the organizer to the wall studs. If necessary, add backing to the organizer using a utility knife or scissors. Organize your clothes, shoes, and accessories, and enjoy your new customized closet organizer. No more settling for generic closet organizers that don't fit your space or your style. With this easy hack, you can create a closet that is uniquely yours. But wait, there's more. This hack is also customizable. If you need more space, simply repeat the process and add additional organizers to suit your needs. And if you want to change things up, you can easily remove and relocate the organizers to a new spot in your closet. Say goodbye to wasted space and hello to endless possibilities with our DIY custom closet organizer hack. It's time to upgrade your sock game with our revolutionary sock folding technique. No more digging through piles of socks or wasting time pairing them up. In just a few seconds, you'll have perfectly folded socks that are ready to be stored away in your drawer. This method is so efficient that you'll wonder how you managed without it. Start by sorting your socks into pairs. Lay each pair of socks flat on a surface. Fold each sock in half lengthwise. Then bring the toes together to form a triangle shape. Fold each side of the sock in towards the middle, creating a neat rectangular shape. Roll the socks up tightly. Store the rolled socks in your drawer. Say goodbye to tangled socks and hello to ultimate organization with our quick and easy sock folding hack. Not only does this method save you time, but it also keeps your socks in pristine condition, preventing holes or tears from forming during storage. Plus, it's so satisfying to open your sock drawer and see those perfectly folded socks neatly arranged in a row. Transform your sock game today with this simple hack that will have you looking like a professional organizer. Get ready to unleash your inner interior designer with our genius drawer organizer hack. Say goodbye to cluttered drawers and hello to ultimate organization in just a few seconds. Grab some cardboard boxes or plastic bins. Measure the width and depth of your drawer. Cut the boxes or bins to fit the drawer. Organize your items and store them in the drawer. Personalize your drawer by adding labels or color-coding the boxes or bins. Not only does this method maximize your storage space, but it also adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen. Transform your drawers with this simple hack and enjoy the satisfaction of a perfectly organized home. There you have it, folks. With these simple yet ingenious hacks, you can transform your closet from a source of stress to a beacon of organization in no time. We know you, Koo, and wait to put these hacks into action and show off your newly organized closet to the world. If you found these hacks helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more amazing content. We've got plenty more videos up our sleeves that will blow your mind and make your life easier. Before you go, we have a special treat for you. Watch this video and get ready to be amazed by even more incredible life hacks that will leave you saying, "Where have you been all my life?" Click here to keep the organization magic going. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest uploads. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you next time with more mind-blowing hacks. Till then, keep organizing and keep shining.